Hello, and welcome to Lesson on Project Management in Digital Transformation. Today, we will be discussing the project lifecycle in digital transformation projects, stakeholder management, risk mitigation strategies, and how to execute these strategies effectively. Firstly, let's talk about the project lifecycle. In traditional projects, the lifecycle consists of initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. However, in digital transformation projects, there are some key differences. The initiation phase is different as it involves defining the project scope, requirements, and objectives. The planning phase involves defining the project plan, timelines, and resources. The execution phase involves implementing the project plan and ensuring that it meets the objectives. The monitoring phase involves assessing the progress of the project and identifying any potential issues. The closure phase involves completing the project and ensuring that it is successful. Secondly, let's discuss stakeholder management. In any project, stakeholders are important contributors who can help or hinder the success of the project. In digital transformation projects, stakeholders may include clients, customers, employees, partners, and other external parties. It is important to identify and manage these stakeholders effectively to ensure that the project meets its objectives. Thirdly, let's talk about risk mitigation strategies. In digital transformation projects, risks can arise from various sources, such as technological, financial, organizational, and regulatory risks. It is important to identify and mitigate these risks to ensure that the project is successful. Some risk mitigation strategies include risk assessment, risk prioritization, risk communication, risk management plan, and risk monitoring. Finally, let's discuss how to execute these strategies effectively. Firstly, it is important to have a clear understanding of the project objectives, scope, and timeline. This will help in identifying and managing stakeholders effectively. Secondly, it is important to have a risk assessment and mitigation plan that outlines the strategies and actions to be taken in case of risks. Thirdly, it is important to communicate the project plan, objectives, and risks to stakeholders regularly. Finally, it is important to monitor the progress of the project and take actions to address any issues that arise. In conclusion, project management is an essential aspect of digital transformation projects. By understanding the project lifecycle, stakeholder management, risk mitigation strategies, and executing these strategies effectively, you can ensure that your digital transformation project is successful. Thank you for watching.